Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. As I was organizing my new makeup and skincare products in preparation to film my June 2019 monthly makeup basket video, I realized that it's been a while since I filmed a TJ Maxx haul. So I thought I'd gather everything together here today and show you just a couple of things I've picked up over the last few months. And if you're interested in seeing what I got from TJ Maxx recently, just keep watching. With summer quickly approaching, I've been looking for more powder makeup products to help keep my oils at bay. So I did pick up this Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Light. And this was $10.99. Here's a look at the product. This does come with a good size mirror. I wasn't quite sure about the shade match, but I think it's okay. I am wearing it today on my skin. I do find that it doesn't provide very much coverage, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to find something where I won't have to sacrifice coverage for a matte finish. I also picked up this Lorac Pro To Go palette a few months ago. This is a face and eye palette, and this was only $6.99. Here's a look at the palette. On one half, you have a large mirror, 2 face powders, and some eyeshadows, and a small brush. And then on the other half of the palette, there's a bronzer, 2 blush shades, and another small brush. I'm wearing 3 of the eyeshadows, not the black one. And I am also wearing one of the face powders. I use that in my as my transition shade. And I'm also wearing the bronzer. I used a very light hand because it seemed a little dark. And I'm wearing the coral blush as well. I think this would be a great palette to travel with. I do enjoy the Too Faced Sweet Peach collection that's exclusive to Sephora, so I've been kind of hunting for those products at TJ Maxx. I did manage to find one of the White Peach eyeshadow palettes, and this was $22.99. Here's the palette itself. This contains some really pretty peach and champagne shades. There's a huge mirror as well. This next item I'm not so sure about. This is the Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss, and this was $5.99. I love lip glosses. I'm not sure if this is going to be more of an oil than a gloss. Not quite sure about the color, but I thought it'd be nice to test out the formula at a discounted price. The packaging is really cute. Look at that little peach on the top of the cap. I have a few things from Becca. First is the Evermatte Shine Proof Foundation, and I picked up the shade Buff, and this was $12.99. This contains a little more than 1 ounce of foundation, and I'm thinking this is the shade color, but I haven't tested it out yet. I also found this Becca The One Perfecting Face Brush for $12.99. And it was also nicely packaged in this sealed plastic wrap, so I knew that it hadn't been touched or handled by anyone else. And this product can be used with liquids, creams, powders, and anything in between. It's made out of high quality natural goat hair, which allows product to sit on top of the bristles, ensuring a seamless application and no wasted product. So again, I feel like that's pretty impressive to have a goat hair brush at TJ Maxx for only $12.99. So hopefully the quality and the functionality of this brush works out for me. I also picked up 2 shades of the Buxom Full On Lip Polish. This is Jacqueline and Ella, and these were $5.99 each. One of the price tags has faded since I've purchased it. Here's the shade Jacqueline. I'm hoping that the shade wears a little lighter on the lips than it looks in this case. And this is the shade Ella. This next product was not on my radar at all, but I decided to pick it up since this was the only one I found in stock, and I know a lot of people were going out of their way looking for it. And that's the Lime Crime Best of Lip Nude Set, and this was $9.99. It's been so long since I purchased this, but I think that this comes with a lip liner, a liquid lipstick, a lip glitter or glitter lip topper, and a lip gloss. I have not tried anything from the Lime Crime brand, so this will be my introduction into the brand. If you watched my recent Sephora VIB sale haul video, you'll know that I'll be testing out a bunch of First Aid Beauty products over the next couple of weeks and months, and I have a few more products that I picked up from TJ Maxx as well. First is the Skin Rescue Oil-Free Mattifying Gel, and this was $9.99. I got a large tub of the Ultra Repair Cream, and what really drew me in was the scent, green tea and lemon. And this was $19.99. I'll also be testing out the Eye Duty Triple Remedy Overnight Balm. This was $9.99. And the final First Aid Beauty product I have is this Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I do try to mask 3 times a week, so it'll be nice to incorporate a new type of mask into my routine, and this was $10.99. I've also been finding a lot of bareMinerals products at TJ Maxx. So first, I have this Original Mineral Veil Powder. This was $6.99. I also picked up the bareMinerals Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Light 2W, and this was $5.99. Now I was a little confused with the shade name because this is what it looks like, and I don't know about you, but that doesn't look very light. So I'm hoping that this just looks darker in the container than it'll look on my skin. But I'm definitely curious to see how this will work. It has salicylic acid contained in the powder, so again, that's good for blemishes, and salicylic acid products do really work out well for me personally. So I'm hoping that this will work out for me as well. I was really hunting around for this next product, and I'm so happy that I found it. It's the bareMinerals GenNude Copper Eyeshadow Palette, and this was $9.99. I really enjoy using bareMinerals eyeshadows. I'm currently working on an 8-pan Bare Neutrals eyeshadow palette in my 19 and 2019 project pan. And look at this. There's a huge mirror in this palette and 6 eyeshadow shades. Just gorgeous. I think this will be really nice for the summer. I've watched a lot of other people's TJ Maxx haul videos where they've been finding a lot of bareMinerals gift sets and value sets in store, but I haven't been as lucky. I did, however, find this one set. This is the Lashes and Lips to Go set, and this was $3.99. It contains a GenNude Patent Lip Lacquer in the shade Major, and a Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara in Intense Black. I've got to say that I'm a little disappointed in this lip lacquer. This is the shade Major, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips today as well. And while I do enjoy the GenNude Matte Liquid Lip Color, I got the shade Juju as a free birthday gift from bareMinerals this year. In comparison, this lip lacquer is very sticky. It didn't apply onto the lips very well. It was very patchy. I really had to work to kind of shear it out or move it around with my finger in order to get what I thought was at least a decent looking application of the product. But I can still feel it on my lips even though I applied it probably over an hour ago. So I guess it's nice knowing that it's still there, but it's not a very pleasant feeling. I do like the color though. I just can't seem to stop myself when it comes to buying lip products, and I got 2 more bareMinerals lip products. This is the Marvelous Moxie Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Birthday Babe, and it was $4.99. I'm thinking this may have been a birthday gift, or maybe even a free birthday gift from a previous year. but it's so pretty. I also picked up one of the GenNude Buttercream lip glosses. This is in the shade Cosmic, and it was $3.99. And here's a look at the shade Cosmic. I found two bareMinerals brushes. This seamless buffing brush. Looks like it'll be good for travel, and this was only $4.99. I also found the Perfecting Face brush for $4.99, and this is the brush that has that little dip into the center that you can put the drops of your liquid foundation and use it to buff onto your skin. The package was ripped open, and I tried to nicely ask for a discount, but unfortunately they wouldn't give it to me, so I will have to wash this brush before I use it for the first time. The final bareMinerals product I have is this Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 2W. This concealer was $6.99. I'm just now realizing that this is actually the same shade as the powder foundation that I thought looked a little dark, but the concealer doesn't look dark at all. So this gives me hope that that powder foundation will work out after all. I found an Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush in the shade Fetish. This was $9.99. I do find that a lot of my blushes do seem to fade after a couple of hours, so I'm hoping that this will have the 8-hour staying power that it claims. I also got this Julep When Pencil Meets Gel eyeliner. This was $3.99. I believe Julep is a Korean beauty brand. Here's a look at the liner tip. So it looks like it will have to be sharpened, but I'll let you know how this goes. I also found a few Smashbox makeup brushes. This cream cheek brush was $9.99, and this Precise blush brush was also $9.99. I did find the Kat Von D 10-year anniversary brush collection set. This was $29.99, and here are the included brush names. And just last week I found the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Light 42. This was $10.99. Here's a look at the packaging. There's a nice size mirror. I'm not sure if this may be too light for me. I do remember seeing these at Sephora lately, so I'll probably go in store and swatch it out and decide whether I will keep this particular shade or not. I recently found these blueberry sheet masks from the brand Frudia. This was $9.99, and this little package contains 6 individual sheet masks. I have seen these at CVS being sold for $2.99 each. I also picked up this Perricone MD skincare set. This contains a nutritive cleanser, high potency face firming activator, vitamin C ester 15, a face finishing moisturizer, and a hypoallergenic firming eye cream, and this was $39.99. I've not tried anything from the Perricone MD brand before. I do know that this is sold at Sephora, so I feel like it's a high quality skincare brand, and I am eager to give this a try. I was quite surprised to find this next product at TJ Maxx. This is the Shanthi Flower Infused Cleansing Milk, and this was $39.99. I was looking at reviews on this product in store as I debated whether or not I would be purchasing it, and it seems like people either love this product or really dislike it, so I thought I'd give it a try and see what I thought of it. I picked up this Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. This was $3.99, And this is a black eyelash primer that will go under mascara. The last few items I have are all clearance items. I found the Shiseido Perfect Cleansing Oil on clearance for $18. And this was sold as is because it's missing the pump or the lid. But I figure that for $18 I can easily find another pump or bottle to put this into, or as soon as I finish my current Amore Pacific cleansing oil, I can always transfer the product into that pump dispenser. I found this Genest Absolute Hydration Replenishing Gel Moisturizer on clearance. This was $12. And it feels quite heavy. It may be the packaging, but it looks like there's quite a lot of product in here. This pack of 4 Erno Laszlo Sensitive Hydrogel Masks was on clearance for $7. And one of the most exciting things that I found on clearance recently was this giant Estee Lauder set. This was on clearance for $29. And this was actually sealed in one of those containers with the security tags on them. So bonus, knowing that it hadn't been swatched. Here's a look at the palette. It is pretty bulky. So there's a huge mirror on the bottom, and these are the shades. Unfortunately, it does look like one of the lip shades melted a little bit. So here's a look at the inside of the palette. There's already a ton of shades. So this includes eyeshadows, blushes, highlighters, bronzers, lip shades, and the edges of the palette actually come out to reveal even more shades. I think this will be a really fun palette to play around with. Okay, and that'll complete this TJ Maxx haul video. I will try to be more on top of things and post my TJ Maxx haul videos in a more timely manner so they don't all become hour-long ordeals like this video was. I appreciate you stopping by, especially if you're still watching at this point, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.